Good morning, guys. May tumawag naman sa akin na customer asking how to switch on and off nung Follow Me Home. So, to disengage and engage that one po, you have to press this one. And then, vehicle. And then, lighting. Ito po. And then under the lighting, may makita kayong glare free and auto lamp. So you have to press this drop down. Boom, ayun siya. So if you want to switch it off, ito lang po. Ngayon, kung engage siya 10 seconds, what will happen po is you have, after switching off the engine, lalabas kayo, ilalak niyo yung door. Pag lock niyo ng door, the headlight po will switch on in 10 seconds po. Ganon. And then mawawala. Yan yung Follow Me Home. Ano po yung Follow Me Home? Bubukas yung headlight para yung lalakaran nyo will be illuminated, maliwanag po. That is if needed. No, kung yung bahay nyo is a few meters away from your garage, effective po yan. Pag hindi naman, no need to switch it on. Okay guys, thank you po. Bye-bye.